Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. This is actually from European distribution. And first, a quick overview of the box. So we can find some specification. We can find here the 1.62 inches AMOLED display, the high quality metallic frame, up to 21 days battery life, the motor, the like experience. We've got the 5 ATM water resistant, over 100 sports modes, all around health monitoring, and multiple choices for band faces. Okay, so now let's go inside. Okay, so now we are almost inside. And we can slide it out. First of all, we've got the user manual. We've got the charger. It's a really short cable. You can connect it into the USB-A. So into the charging brick, or for example into your PC. Right here we've got our band, and I guess, yeah, that's all. There's nothing more inside the box. So now let's go inside the Band 9. And here we got the foil that we can easily remove. And that's how the screen looks. Now I will try to actually turn it on. By the way, right here at the bottom, we can find the sensors, the pins for charger, and this strap is actually made, I mean, this is the same feeling like with the Apple Watches, like exactly the same feeling. So it's really nice when you touch it. This one is actually made out of the plastic. It was actually information about the high quality metallic frame, but honestly, it feels like a plastic. Okay, no, this is actually the real metallic frame. This isn't plastic, this is the metallic frame. Right now I can feel the difference when I'm touching this part of the band. So yeah, that will be all. Actually, the quick unboxing of this device with all accessories that you can find. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.